Hello, good morning,
Good
Samantha. How
morning.
are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing great. First of all, congratulations on your selection PSPIP.
Thank you, ma'am.
So how are you doing right now with your job?
I'm
Matlab
I'm feeling very, very happy.
So great. So you have a mechanical engineering background and you have entered into patents, and I think this is your first job into patents, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So how was the interview? So how did your interview went?
It was a telephonic interview.
Mm-hmm.
They called me for the patent analyst position, but unfortunately, they have recruited another candidate. But
Okay.
I told them it will be okay for internship or any job profile. So they recruit me for the internship profile.
Mm-hmm.
And they told me about the process, how it works, and what will be the job description, and
Mm-hmm.
what will be the after career growth, and all the processes they have told me. I told them, okay, I am new in this field,
Mm-hmm.
so it will be very good to work me as a intern or as a fresher.
Mm-hmm.
They give me one opportunity to start me in this career now.
Great, awesome. I'm so proud of you that you have taken a decision because anything is better when you can start, you can then grow, and you can learn more, you can get more opportunities into the industry. Awesome. I'm so proud of you, Samantha.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, what is your feeling coming that this will be your first job into pages for which you have been trying? So, does it feel for yourself?
I was looking for to join this field
Hmm.
last 6 months,
Hmm.
but I was preparation for my GATE exams.
Hmm.
Unfortunately, I not cracked the GATE exam.
Hmm.
One of my colleague has told me already about this field. It is a good field, and it is open for all the science and engineering students. Anyone from the science technology field
Hmm.
can give this exam and
Hmm.
can prepare for this course. It is a evergreen field. They have told me.
Hmm.
So I thought GATE exam is not qualified, right?
Hmm.
So I made my mindset that I have to focus on this field presently,
Hmm.
and the positivity was very much about this field.
Hmm.
So I made my mind that I have to concentrate for this 3 months. So I have thought that I can join the course. And one day, Cheshta ma'am message had came that
Hmm.
I was not knowing about this course.
Hmm.
One day I have applied for Naukri, and your message came.
Hmm.
So I contact and all the process has been told to me from Divya ma'am. So I made my mind that okay, this is the 3 months I have to prepare,
Hmm.
and I have to start my career in this field only.
Hmm.
As I am interested in all the invention, I am from a mechanical background,
Hmm.
and plus I have given the ME in my manufacturing engineering process.
Hmm.
So uh, disclosure to all the inventions, it was a very curiosity for me to learn
Hmm.
how the patent works, what is the process, and how it is given to applications are made. I was very curious about that. I have learned all the processes in the video classes,
Hmm.
which was provided by IPTA. I have gone fully to all the lectures. I have seen 2 to 3 times, and I've made notes of that. And I was reading about the processes. What are the USPTO laws? What are the Indian patent laws? What are the patentability searches, novelty searches? I was reading all that, so it made me more curious to go to this field. And now presently I'm on the top of my dreams coming true.
Great, great, great. Awesome, awesome. So, coming from mechanical engineering background, lot of students don't understand that this is also in engineering, right? This is more of a engineering than a law because you have to read lot of inventions and manufacturing processes every day. So, how do you feel about it? That yes, it is engineering only.
Yeah, it is a totally technical part. Uh, Anyone from engineering background can have his field as a bright career option. Um, Basically, we from our field, all the inventions are there. What is the principle? What are the this any invention? How it is? How it works? What are the how the products are made? This is the field that from starting of the invention to product making of the product, all the descriptions is available, and we know totally about how the product has been invented and how it is be manufactured and how it is useful for the public.
Mhm. Great, great, awesome. So, Samantha, we are so proud. Our whole team is very proud of you, and we wish you all the best for your future. And we want you to grow into this industry. We are with you with you in your whole journey, and because I see a lot of potential in you to grow, so we want to offer a small gift from IIPTA. So we'll be sponsoring your education for patent agent examination. So
Thank you, ma'am.
so that you will be receiving as a free gift from our side, where all your education preparation classes will be sponsored by us, so that you can take a next step and you can grow more and more into the future.
Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you so much, Samantha, for talking to me today, and we wish you all the very best. And thank you from our side to all the family and friends who supported you to be part of this journey.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Samantha. Bye. Take care.